Doing a video here. This is the kind of pride Filipinos take in their motorcycles. I don't know if you can see in detail everything, but it's all anodized aluminum, CNC gadgets and parts and everything. They really put a lot of work on this one here. See, it's very nice, nicely done. Somebody, I don't know who the owner is, but he's in the computer cafe there playing video games. Exhaust, everything. It keeps it super clean. Hey, what is this here? That is, but anyway, you can see that little cooling vents in the seat. I'm not sure what that is there though. It says CNC, all it says CNC Racing. I don't know what it has on it, but you also, if it was nighttime, you would see all of the LED stuff. See the LEDs? They have the colored LEDs that run on these, and they light these things up. And a lot of people have it, a little cell phone holder or GPS. They got a little clock or something there. So pretty nice bike. So anyway, I don't know what it is. It's a Rusi of all things. Yeah, don't buy Rusi motorcycles here. They're Chinese and they're the worst quality. But again, this guy put a ton of money in his. So that's it for now. See you soon. Bye. All right, here's another motorcycle here. This is actually my friend that owns the hardware store in town. This is his bike, and he just got it painted. And he's been just slowly adding things to it. All the anodized aluminum, the big disc brakes in the front is yeah. What is this?
That's a N-bar.
N-bar, what does it do?
It's a lever guard.
Lever guard? For what? What does it do? Oh, just guards this in case you fall. Oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, he's got this. He's got a cell phone holder. He's got a cup holder. Look at that, cup holder. Do you believe it? They got cup holders for these guys. He's got his battery here, his USB to keep his phone charged while he's riding. He's got fancy oil dipstick knob to pull his thing out of his oil. He's got these super high intensity lights on the side, which you definitely need here in the Philippines because there's just too much unexpected stuff on the road at night. Cars are parked, motorcycles are parked, tricycles are parked, people are sitting. You don't know what. He's got the aluminum wheels on here. He's got a custom seat here. This just got done. This is the first time I've seen the seat and the paint job. It's kind of like one of those paints that if you go to a different angle, see it turns purple. You go back, then it turns like a bluish. So it's like one of those chameleon type colors. Check out these rear view mirrors. Got all these adjustments and stuff, so you can go up and down, in and out, angle it really nice. Feature there. And then the last thing that I want to show you that's really I've never seen ever before is a Gatling gun exhaust. And when he starts this thing up, this spins. It spins like a Gatling gun. So that's really cool. Never seen anything like that. So there we have it. He's still working on this, so this will work in progress. But he's done really nice job. So that is part 2 of Trick Your Motorcycle out in the Philippines. So bye for now. Here's another custom motorcycle in the Philippines. Got a shirt on top here, but it's all fixed up. And again, you can see all the work down here. Oh, wow, got the fiberglass wrap. Good job right there. There, fiberglass wrap. Some work on it. Great. Pretty nice spot. Nice. Nice spot. Yeah. A lot of work. There it is. Another tricked out motorcycle here in the Philippines. I think this is a Suzuki Raider 150cc.
Okay na